How to delete an Instagram account. There are different methods to delete your Instagram account on your iPhone and Android. In this video, we're going to show you both options. Delete Instagram account on iPhone. Step 1. Open the Instagram app and log into your account. Step 2. Go to your profile and tap the menu icon, 3 horizontal lines in the upper left corner, and select Settings, then Account. Step 3. Scroll down the list of options and choose Delete Account. Step 4. Scroll past the Deactivate Account button and select Delete Your Account. Then click Continue on the confirmation screen. Step 5. Choose a reason from the drop-down menu for why you want to delete your account. Step 6. Re-enter your password. Step 7. Finally click the Delete button to permanently delete your account. Delete Instagram account on Android. While the Instagram app on Android doesn't allow you to delete your account directly from the app, you can still delete your account by using a web browser. Simply open Instagram on your browser and follow these steps to delete your account from there. Step 1. Go to Instagram.com and log into your account. Step 2. In your web browser's address bar, enter this: Instagram.com/account/remove/request/permanent. Step 3. Select a reason from the drop-down menu for why you want to delete your account. Step 4. Re-enter your password to confirm that you want to delete your account. Step 5. Finally click Delete Account to permanently delete your account. Thank you for watching this video. We hope it helped you. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share.